Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Even though it seems like we just got out of the really hot weather, now's the time to start thinking about the cold and the effects that it will have on our landscapes.
Freezing temperatures can start as early as the end of this month and will sneak up on us if we're not prepared.
That's why it's very important to add a good layer of organic mulch to insulate the soil around your plants. This 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch will act as an insulating blanket to protect the soil from freezing and keep the roots of the plants growing all winter.
Fescue lawns should be fertilized right now to keep them from browning out with the first hard frost. And you should now be cutting back on your watering to slow down the growth of your trees and shrubs. This will give them a chance to harden off and enter into their winter mode, so they don't produce as much tender new growth that can be damaged in the cold.
This is particularly true for cactus, which should survive with a good soaking in mid-November and then no water until late January or early February. When temperatures are forecast for below freezing, make sure that your trees, shrubs, and flowers are not completely dry. These plants will survive a hard frost much better when the soil is moist around their roots.
To protect the tops of your plants or flowers, you can use a protective cover like insulate thermal blanket or burlap draped around the plants. Remember to remove the covering during the day unless a cold wind is blowing or the temperatures remain below freezing.
Our plants are not the only things in our landscapes that need to be protected from the cold. Exposed water pipes, irrigation lines, and pool equipment are also vulnerable to cold damage. PVB or anti-siphon valves should be wrapped or covered to prevent costly repairs or replacement. Frostbite's PVB protector works great for this job. It's well insulated to protect your valves from freezing and breaking. Exposed pipes can be protected by prefabricated tube pipe insulation or insulated foam pipe wrap.
Pool and spa equipment should be covered with an insulating blanket to prevent freezing as well. If a hard freeze is expected, drain your sprinkler or drip lines. This will prevent damage to pipes due to the expansion of frozen water.
For more information on this topic, visit us at starnursery.com or on our free app. And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your nearest Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.